Let me go ahead and sign in, and we'll see how quick we can help Mr. Divine put together some stuff. So what kind of stuff do we want to sell? We got lots of things: buttons, business cards, mugs. You can get on Zazzle and you can make, vape cases, cell phone cases. You can make shower curtains, blankets, towels, rugs. You can make anything. Purses. You can make anything. Let's just make a shirt. Why not, right? Let's throw the black on it. Might as well. All right. Let's see here. Add image. There we go. Upload. And it saves all your images for all the other ones. And more than likely, you're going to take whatever logo you got and you're going to load it to more things. So it's good that it saves your images, because you can, as you're creating different ones, you can mix and match them. Add, somebody's going to be like, hey, you got that logo but on a hoodie? Yup. Here's the link. It's going to take you minutes, right? So there's that. Done. Boom. All right, we can go back and edit it. That's kind of weak. Let me move it on up here. Let's see what that looks like. A little bit higher. That's not so bad. We can put it on the back. Edit it. Back text. What are we gonna do? Man, me and Maurice got some stuff going on. So he wanted to do an image with his logo on one side and with my image on the other side. So, it's the little rules of the game. Maurice Divine collabo. Boom. There you go. All right, a little higher on the back. Done. And you know what? Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, let me go ahead and edit this front one. I'm just going to do this little shoulder deal, up on the pack there. I see shirts that kind of look like that. So boom. And of course, you could drop text in there, guidelines, grid lines. You can rotate the different things. Pivot it, cut it, however you want it. Done. All right, now after you got that merchandise done, you want to sell that joint. You're going to have a title right here. Description. All right, now that's the place that is gibberish for all of your tag words, all of the keywords of the people that are going to be interested in the product, and all of the links that are going to bring you back to, hey, and if you like this t-shirt, check out the hoodie version. Because what's that going to do? You're not going to get hit with the bounce rate. They're going to look at one product, and if they don't want it, click to the next product. Now you're getting ranked because people are coming to your site and then looking at something else within that same site. And if not, we're going to give them all the ways that they can follow us on YouTube, on Facebook, and then our other domains that we have synced up to our Facebook. You know what I mean? Events and occasions. All right, this is a good t-shirt. You know what I mean? Basically, this is pretty much for any everyday event. All right, cool. This is going to help it rank it within the site. You know what I mean? Recipient. This is going to give you for him. There you go. Anybody. You don't have to pick a sub, category, store category, and you're going to pick all that stuff. You can put tag words in. You know what I mean? T-shirt. There's a logo. All right. Well, we got that. We're going to go with hip hop 2018. Those are some good fucking words. Rap logo. There's some good words. Okay, we got some keywords. If somebody's looking for that, let me see here. Fan. So if anybody comes and says, oh man, I got a kid, he's a fan of hip hop 2018, you know what I mean? Small gift. I need a small gift for my college student teen, that's into hip hop. What do they got? What do they make today? What's new? What's in 2018? That's what people think. When you want to go and get on these sites, hey, not just promoting it, integrating it into your site, sharing posts about it, but when people come to Zazzle and we're like, I want to get a small gift for my college, student son who likes hip hop. What's new in 2018? These are keywords they're going to put in. That's going to, he's a fan of hip hop. And let's just look for a t-shirt for him. This is what they're going to find. You know what I mean? So you put those keywords in there. Now we're talking about how much money we want. It's a G-rated product. There's no strippers on there. We don't have any nasty or profanity on there. So it's public for everybody. And, this button allows people that they can customize it. If they come to my store, they can find other different logos and they can put things on there. Maybe they can make the small picture bigger, work off of my hands, and I'll get the percentage. So sure, why not let them customize it? Now here's a royalty percentage. Right now, Zazzle will make this shirt, front, back, the whole thing, exactly how I want it. They could change the color of it so you don't have to make one in red and blue and green. that customize allows them, hey, does it come in blue? Yep. Red? Yep. White? Yep. It does it all for you. It lets them pick what color they want. It lets them pick what size they want. This is where we pick it. Zazzle will do all this shit for you. Make it and send it to them for $28.95. But this is how much you're gonna make out of it. Say, I wanna make $2 out of it. All right, let's try 6.2%. What's that gonna give me? There we go. So I'm making $1.99 every time somebody buys this for $30.05. I have the right to publish it because I made all these awesome images, and now we're gonna post it. Congratulations. Now I can email it to people. I got this right here. So what can I do with that? Well, of course, I can go post it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I can make an article and put it in my Tumblr or my Reddit. I can go right back to GoDaddy. And I can grab one of my, Maurice Divine gear, and I can go and play a song. Hey guys, what's up, man? I'm gonna do another verse for you. Oh, and by the way, I created a new shirt, man, just for this song, man. It talks about the demons inside. I made the Maurice Divine Demons Inside t-shirt. Got some sick logos on it. It's got a nice little quote on the back of it. Man, go to mauricedivine.com and check it out. You're gonna take that link and you're gonna post it just like we did in the DNS settings. Paste it in there, and you can change it every time. See what I'm saying, guys? Now, one more cool thing about the store. When you get to the store, it has a little training, section. When you're loading things up in here, it lets you it trains you. It teaches you how to do more things, to make it more popular, to add more information, to build it. See right here, once I created that, it says store completion, 65%. My Z rank 3. Now they go into that more as you're wanting to learn, but it teaches you, hey, make 10 store collections. It started out by making one product, then make 10 products, then make 2 different stores, and it shows you how to do it. So just come to the site and put your information in and getting started. This is going to show you what to do. This will teach you how to do things like that. So you don't need a millionaire to teach somebody. You don't need to pay somebody $100 to walk you through this shit. You know what I mean? It'll teach you YouTube, and this right here, the site itself, will teach you how to start building this stuff. Then we're gonna make content and we're gonna tell people about it. How are we gonna do it? You're gonna tell them and come to this link that you paid for 99 cents, or $12.17. Yeah. Anybody got questions? What kind of things are we talking about? Can I upload my own logo? Oh, absolutely. Yeah. Oh yeah. If you got a logo, you can load it. You can load JPEGs, but you can also load the images. You can make it through Photoshop. You know what I mean? Yeah. If you do Photoshop, yeah, you can load anything. It's got that uploaded image, and you can upload them. The way I started, I made a bunch of images before I even started putting them on products. And then I just uploaded 10 different images, and then I kind of mix match, something on the front, something on the back, something up here, something real big, laptop case, cup, deck of cards, a flask, a pillow, you know what I mean, a keychain. It's $4, you know what I mean? And look, they even already put a little discount in there for me. That's pretty much that right there.